Right, today I'm going to review Rescue on Fractalus for the Commodore 64, so let's load the game up. This is a little spaceship adventure sort of game where you've got to rescue these marooned pilots. Let's start the game. Don't worry about all this. So, basically, here we are. You can see it's 1985 by Lucasfilm, same people who made Monkey Island on the Amiga. So, as you can see, we get to choose our starting level using the joystick. We'll have starting level 1. Now, as you can see, we're in a spaceship. Go for the warp drive. Warp 7. Engage. Oh! Ah! It's like a roller coaster. Oh my god! Ah! Come out the roller coaster, and now we're in space, getting ready for re-entry into the planet. Now entering Earth's atmosphere. I don't think it's Earth. I think it's somewhat strange planet somewhere out in the far galaxy. Probably the planet Fractalus. Alright, here we go. Now, as you can see, you are now in control of the ship, flying through these mountains. And if you look on the ground here, see these little dots here, these are the marooned ships, so you've got to land as close as you can. That's probably not close enough. So then we turn our systems off. Here comes the pilot. Now we knock on the door. And we open the door for him. Oops, I just killed him by mistake because I started the engines. That wasn't good. Let's see if we can find another pilot. Watch out. Now landing. Here comes another. This time don't kill him, Paul. Here he comes. You knock on the door. Now I draw open the door. There's a way of opening the door for him. I'm trying to find it. There we go. Airlock opened. Here walk in. And then we can go and find some more. So, take off again. You'll hear loads of beeps and stuff, and you've got radar and stuff to find it. Here we go, there's one around here somewhere. So, turn our systems off. Yay, hey! Pilot comes walking to your ship. Sometimes you don't see him, but on this case you can see him, here he is. Then we open the airlock for him. He'll walk in, he'll shut the door behind him. And then we can take off again. So, off we go. I actually had this game. So fire boosters to go back to the mothership. I actually had this game for the Spectrum. One of my very first games on the Spectrum. So, yeah, I've never actually played the Commodore 64 version before today. But it's very good, I do have to admit. One of my favourite games. One of my favourite games right now. So we now are taken to level 2. So we go back to the planet. Make it so. So as you can see, the graphics are nice. Very good. Especially very good for 1985. Use of fractals to make the mountain appearance. Here we are. They're ready to find some more pilots. Here we go. Watch out. Ah! Okay, let's go. So now We are. They use enemies as well, so you've got to be careful. We haven't saw any yet. If you look at the LR, when the little ship gets in that bottom bit, that means you're close. Here he comes. You walk into your ship. You might not see him, sometimes you don't. Open the airlock, because he might be behind you or something. So, systems on, off we go. Take off. That gun is to kill the enemies if you ever see any enemies. Get above these mountains right here. There's another pilot's maroon ship close. I can see it on my little radar up there. Get ready for land. Ready to land. Pilot should come there. He will enter the ship. Turn systems back on. And this is basically the objective of the game. It gets harder as the game progresses, obviously. I mean, there's loads of levels on it, and it's very good. Made by the same people who did Star Wars, I think anyway. Lucasfilm. So, Rescue and Fractalus on the Commodore 64. I'm gonna give a. Watch out, there's a Betty there. I'm gonna give a 9 out of 10 because I love it. Goodbye.